right, happy Monday morning. Let's do our pre-flight, pre-market AM briefing for Monday, October the 30th. So there's three major news events to be aware of this week. Number one is on Wednesday, FOMC, Friday, non-farm payroll. So number one, number two, and number three is news out of the Middle East.
Shall we play a game?
How about global thermonuclear war?
Go to DEFCON 2.
So last night, I was marking levels for this morning, and this is where I put the warning shot to bulls. Above this, we could start having an aggressive short covering rally. Don't be shocked if it's 100 plus points when it happens. So short covering rules are definitely in force, I think, above this, beginning above this level, and every level that it goes through above that, the risk is even greater. And the rule is, if you go short, be very protective. Do not add to your short. Do not move your stop loss. Look for opportunities to take a half loss or break even. Don't make things worse, shorting a short covering rally. So this is where I considered the first warning shot to bears. We got there overnight. Great. It's nice to see it's having a reaction. It came back and retesting this, having a reaction. But what's happened overnight? We're having a pretty strong line here from the overnight low. London is higher than Asia, so I would want you to mark the London low and whatever the Asia low is. These are three levels below I would have on my chart. I believe this 3650 is a wonderful magnet, and that's why I put the magnet there. And I still have this level from last week hanging out still. Liquidity grab long. I mean, you could try a knife catch long perhaps off of that, or allow price to go under it and then reclaim it. Of course, none of this is trading advice. It's just fun to see if the levels bounce above our head. So like I said, if we take this out, this is first target, second target, and this third one you might get a nice reaction off of. Once again, every little bit we go up here, the risk of violent short covering increases, and those short covering rules are in place. Once again, if you go short, be smart. Don't make the situation worse. So right now, the trend is definitely up. That needs to be respected until it deserves not to be. We have very good rules in our group of when trend changes. And until then, at this point, at this moment, if we were to go live, I would say the play is long or flat. But I would prefer longs to happen perhaps above the warning shot to bears here. So this is a weird place to trade. I would want to see new levels developed. Are we going to break down? Are we going to get up here? At this point, I'm not in love with this exact trade location. And trade location is important to me. Not in love going any trade in the middle of this London range. Just, I have no interest in it. So I wouldn't be trading that.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.